The U.S. could soon get its third COVID-19 vaccine. An independent FDA advisory committee is meeting virtually to review Johnson & Johnson's coronavirus vaccine.
Here is the question for the committee. Based on the totality of scientific evidence available, do the benefits of Janssen COVID-19 vaccine outweigh its risks?
The FDA confirms that J&J's vaccine is slightly less effective than the Moderna and Pfizer shots overall, but showed 85% efficacy against severe illness and complete protection against COVID-19 deaths 28 days after getting the shot.
All three of these vaccines are superb at preventing severe illness. And there are minor differences otherwise.
It also has advantages the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines do not. It can be stored at normal refrigeration temperatures and requires only one dose. The meeting comes as Moderna announced it is preparing clinical trials for a booster shot for the COVID-19 variant that originated in South Africa. FDA authorization of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could come as early as this weekend. If that happens, the vaccine could be headed to states next week. Only a few million doses are expected to be shipped in the first week, but Johnson & Johnson says it expects to provide 20 million doses by the end of March. Madeline Rivera, CBS News, Silver Spring, Maryland.
Here at home, health leaders from the Richmond and Henrico Health Districts say our area will be receiving more doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, about 10,000 more on a weekly basis. With 97,000 doses administered so far, officials say they're still working to get vaccinations to Group 1B, which includes people aged 65 and older. In March, health leaders say they hope to open up registration to the rest of Group 1B, which includes essential workers and those with underlying health conditions or disabilities.
When we look at the rest of 1B, our essential workers and those 16 to 64-year-olds with chronic conditions and disabilities, we're still working through what the details of this will look like, but it will factor in age and race and zip code and level of exposure.
If you qualify to be vaccinated, you can fill out an interest form at vaccinate.virginia.gov.